all those tar patch things because they slip and slide all over the place. And that's a great it's a great place to park. Dude, there's a whole friggin' parking lot like right behind us. So stupid. Past that cop and I felt like I was going a lot faster than 35. I tapped my brakes and I looked down and I was down to 30 miles per hour, so maybe I was not going as fast as I felt like I was going. Parking. I'm gonna go park next to that scooter. I like to play it safe. Play it safe and you won't be sorry. That's my new catchphrase. Alright, cutting it. Is that my mom? I think that's my mom.